a lot more detail where that is concerned. We're going to take a little toast because it's important that, you know, in life you
recognize,
eat, you drink,
and you celebrate.
Yes. And we are celebrating moms. You're one of our moms. We handpicked to be on in this month of May. I want to introduce you to one of my very good buddies. Yeah, he gets on my nerves very quickly.
Oh, but that's why he's your number one buddy.
Yeah, but you understand? And then I say, Richard.
Yeah.
Master Mixologist Richard Atkins.
Hello, Richard.
How are you?
I am well.
You see the smile? That smile alone is getting on my nerves.
What do you mean?
What he means, right?
I do understand.
I know what he means.
You know what he means?
Yeah.
Welcome, Rich.
How are you guys?
Good.
It's been a while. It's very nice to be here. I just want to do something for the moms that, like Kineta, has a very busy schedule when the day comes and usually need that time to wind down at the end of the evening. Something simple, easy to put together.
Rich, just let me interrupt because I want to just thank the folks at Hennessy for making this one possible. This toast to the moms is brought to you by Hennessy. It's back to Richard.
So, we are going to be using very special French cognac, Hennessy, as he mentioned, which is amazing.
You hear the difference in
aromatic.
his voice, yeah.
Hello, he's doing his thing.
Yeah,
he is in his
in
thing.
a zone kind of thing.
But
you know?
notice that he's holding his tongue. He doesn't want to tell you what he wants to tell you.
I will have words with Mr. Philip.
It's his tone.
Not everybody has your tone.
Yeah.
So a reasonable amount of cognac.
Why you talking to me so sexy, bro?
Because
please watch Kineta.
We are speaking about French cognac.
I get you, don't worry. I get
you have
you.
to say it with a bit of sophistication.
Yes, you do it.
A reasonable amount.
I understand you.
Of French
Don't worry
cognac.
about him.
Should I leave?
No, you should stay. Some cold brew coffee.
What is that? Coffee?
Cold brew coffee.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes. The bitter stuff.
This would be a first for me, for sure.
Serious. Never
Yes,
had
very
coffee?
serious.
Hennessy and coffee. That's
This
the
is
first.
beautiful for the end of the evening. After your long day, busy schedule,
Right.
it is necessary that you have a nightcap.
This is a message to Anil.
Something
Some
to
Hennessy at
relax.
home.
I'm certain that Anil is taking notes presently, so do not be afraid. Right? So this is going to be followed by a percentage of citrus liqueur.
Any citrus, pussy, orange.
I mean, it depends on your preference.
Right.
You can go with the darker ones or the lighter ones. You can even go as simple as the triple sec if that works for you, or if that is what is available at your.
Oh, that's so it's a liqueur, one of those orange liqueurs.
Nice orange liqueurs. I'm not going to mention the brand. We are speaking about sophisticated French cognac for moms today. So we add a little bit of ice to the mix. Joel, I'm going to require your assistance momentarily.
You are? I was not getting comfortable here.
I understand. However, I will need you. I will need you, Joel. There are glasses in the freezer, Joel. Over there, Joel. I need them.
Get it, Joel. Get it.
Get them for me, Joel.
Wow, where these glasses?
Get them for me. And they are fancy.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Pinky.
Intuitively.
Pinky glasses.
So now I'm going to shake. I require silence on the set. So the name of this drink is Mom's Resting.
Mixologists take their shakes very seriously.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is very serious.
Wow.
Look at the color of that, Joel. Look at the color of that. Wow. I'm certain that moms everywhere are excited right now. Thinking about having that wonderful nightcap drink.
Yeah, I could change my
After screaming at kids all day.
No longer that cup of tea in the night.
I'm just really
After
basic.
dealing with husbands all day. Husbands are very difficult to deal with.
They are. I appreciate you.
Beautiful thing is that husbands are necessary, but moms are an absolute must-have. must have moms. We need moms. We need that patience. We need that understanding. We need that care. And at the end of the day, moms need rest. So moms should have rest.
That's where Hennessy comes in. Yeah. Get that cup of tea in the night.
Sophisticated French cognac.
Very well. Very well.
A little bit of dark chocolates.
Oh my.
Just to add to the top here.
Anna James, be close attention.
Anil. Anil.
Anil is paying attention.
Yeah.
I see him over there, offset, camera in hand, making vids, taking pics with a notepad. Don't worry, Kineta. Anil will take care of you.
Oh, I know.
So this is a toast to moms.
Wow.
And this beverage is called Mom is Resting.
Mom is resting.
Yeah,
In
really.
Dutch.
Do not disturb.
Bold coffee.
Yeah. Do not
Intense, dark, hints of bitterness.
I could literally say mom's resting.
Yeah.
Give me a moment.
Do not disturb.
Give me a moment.
Get the aromatics in,
It is.
nose
really
it.
good, though.
Cheers, Steve.
Did you smell it?
Not yet.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Where do I start?
You can start anywhere. You're resting. No one is disturbing you.
Yeah, boy.
Whoa.
And it actually does make you feel really calm.
It calms it. There's a calming.
Yeah, there was a calming moment.
There's a calming moment.
I don't know if it was your voice. I promise.
I believe.
So now I get the voice. Now I
It's
get
possible
the
the
voice.
whole.
No, I get the voice.
Change the tone of
It was the energy that you put.
It's
Yes.
the way he said French cognac, Hennessy, yes, coffee.
I would have never thought to mix coffee
Chocolates.
with, and the hint of the chocolate, the chocolate, the smell.
Citrus liqueur.
I needed this.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not an alcoholic.
But you're a mom that needs her rest.
Yes.
That is right. So it is specifically for that purpose.
It
End of
really
the
does calm
evening,
you.
everyone is asleep, sneak away, because moms don't ever get me time during the day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh no, listen, I have some tips on how you can get some me time
Oh
during the day.
boy, we'll talk about
But
that.
we'll talk about that.
We'll talk about that. Master Mixologist Richard Atkins, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Rich. I want to thank the folks at Hennessy for making this possible. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank
to
you. And to all the mummies.
Rest, relax, do not disturb Kineta.
Do
And then
not
go and tell your story somewhere else.